Hello everyone. Last video we have discussed about the structure of cell, but in this video we're going to see different cell organelles and to discuss a little bit about their structure and function. Okay, so we're going to start with number one, nucleus, that is cell nucleus. Number one, what is nucleus? Nucleus contains the bodies of genetic materials in the form of deoxyribonucleic acid. So, nucleus contain DNA, and DNA is the genetic material. Okay. Number two is mitochondria. Number two. Now, the mitochondria, as you can see, is a sausage-shaped structure in the cytoplasm. Sometimes it's described as the powerhouse of the cell. It's also known as the powerhouse of the cell. They are the central to aerobic respirations, the process by which chemical energy is made available in the cell, and that energy is in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Okay, the next things we're going to discuss about the ribosomes, this red color ribosomes. This is the ribosomes. So, ribosomes is composed of RNA and protein. So, ribosomes is composed of RNA, that is ribonucleic acid, and proteins. They synthesize protein from amino acid. They synthesize protein from amino acid using RNA as a template. Okay, the next things which we're going to discuss about endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Now there are two kinds of endoplasmic reticulum, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and there is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now this is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, whereas this one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum, in which the ribosome attached on the surface of their surface, is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. So I just marked here as a label. This is 4, this is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and this is 5, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now the endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, is an extensive series of interconnecting membranous canals in the cytoplasm. There are two types, that is smooth and rough. Smooth endoplasmic synthesis lipid sterol hormones. The smooth synthesize lipid sterol and hormone, whereas and also it's associated with detoxification of some drug, some drugs. Okay, whereas see that rough endoplasmic reticulum is stuffed with ribosome. They are the site of protein synthesis. This rough endoplasmic reticulum is stuck with ribosomes, and it's a place for protein synthesis. Okay. Next one we're going to do about, that is Golgi bodies. This is the Golgi bodies. Now, Golgi bodies is known as, it's a present in all cell, but in larger to synthesize and export protein. So we call it as Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies, the green color This green color, this is responsible for synthesis and storage of protein, and more specifically export of proteins. This protein move from endoplasmic reticulum to Golgi apparatus, where they are packed into membrane-bound vesicles, and the vesicles are stored, and when needed they move the content to the plasma membrane and fuse with, expelling the content from cell. The process is also known as exocytosis. Now, okay, let's move on. We move towards the lysosomes. What is lysosomes? Lysosomes are a small membranous vehicle pinched off from Golgi apparatus. They contain varieties of enzymes involved in breaking down fragments of organelles and large molecules like RNA, DNA, carbohydrates. So this is lysosomes. So we can see that they contain variety of enzymes, and they also involve in breaking down fragments of organelles and large molecule like RNA, DNA, carbohydrates, and proteins. Okay. Moreover, these lysosomes in WBC contain enzymes that digest foreign material such as microbes. They can act as a defensive barrier against microbes. Okay, so and the remaining portion is centrosomes. We're going to discuss in details in the time of the cell cycle. So till then, thank you so much for your cooperation and patience. If you have any queries, please do ask, and please like and subscribe my channel, and we'll be waiting for your comments. Thank you so much.